G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's October 12, 2023. This is the nat gas price update. Got the weekly, daily and the hourly, and we've hit our hourly divergence target, and I'll talk about that in a second. First off, just to recap, especially for those new to the channel, we look at the CCI 150 on all three timelines, and you can see here on the weekly it's broken up past its moving average from the oversold and starting to turn up, so making some nice slightly bullish movement on the weekly. On the daily, we did have a bullish divergence on the CCI versus the price, and we did project it to hit this target area between the 23 and the 38% Fibonacci level, and it's actually done that and hit our target in the last few days. But you can see there it's hit this new resistance we've drawn there, and that seems to be sitting halfway between the 23 and the 38% level, smack bang in the middle at 35.85. And we may see a retrace to the downside. You can see there the CCI is starting to turn down as well on the daily. We'll talk about what happens when it advances further to the downside, if it does that in the coming days, but at the moment we'll just take it step by step. On the hourly, you can see there more closely, it's actually had a double top against that resistance, and it came down to hit our target area between the 23 and the 38% on that smaller Fibonacci range, according to this bearish divergence. Now what I've got down here is just so, I don't mean to be confusing, but this is basically a CCI 400 with a moving average 40 versus the CCI 150. This is our divergence, primary divergence indicator, and this is mainly our trend indicator. So what it's showing you here is, here you would have been potentially going long, and this would have been an early signal to get out of the trade. Yes, there is a divergence on that one as well, but this is a bit more volatile in terms of showing a divergence. So it tells you here to basically get out of the trade if you're going long, and this was telling you to basically to go long during that, just get a bit more smoothing in the bullishness. Here it's basically telling you to potentially go short at that point there, and even though the price is moving to the sideways, so we expect it to break further to the downside unless this starts breaking more to the upside. So that's where we are at the moment. We've got a weekly and daily bullish movement, whereas on the hourly it's showing a bit more bearish tones, and it's hit our target in the short term. So we may see further declines, and as I said, if it breaks further to the downside, we'll try and see where it may potentially bounce, but that 61% on that hourly chart is a key area to look out for. If it breaks below that, then we may see it come towards this, but we won't start measuring that until we see further price action in alignment with the CCI. So if you got value out of the video, hit the subscribe and the like button, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.